Okay, round two. We've cleaned up after spit up, and we have the hiccups. Will he do it? Yep, there he goes. It's a hiccup.
Well.
No, he really didn't burp that well.
Mommy. Oh.
She does need to work on that.
He needs to work on that.
Where do you get the hiccups?
Mm-hmm.
Forgot to empty my-
Ah.
Hey. Oh, we still got some spit up on our tongue. Yummy. A munchkin. Yeah. Daddy in his kitchen. I'm not even paying attention. Focus. There it goes. Yeah. Oh,
Hiccup.
wrong way. There we go. Still learning the camera. Yeah. See, it's good. Okay, we'll sign off
Okay.
for the day.